So this is Euro Yen analysis for Wednesday the 9th of May. Now, let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So we did see this pretty strong sell side momentum from this rejection of the 3060. We had prices move beyond the 129.95. Brief consolidation there, not for very long. We did see this breakdown beyond the 129.95 all the way down towards this 29.45. So we had a brief bullish move upwards, retested 29.45, very slightly below level, and from which we have seen stronger bullish buy side momentum coming into this market here on the Euro Yen. So we do appear to form the base around this Euro Yen 29.45, very strong major level marked out here in red. We've had a brief move upwards, brief pullback, and we've seen that momentum continuation up here towards that 129.95. We've already had a test of the 129.95. We've had a brief pullback, so we could see potential retracement back down towards that 29.45. But if we do successfully break and hold beyond the 129.95, we're looking for moves up towards that 130.60, possibly a move up towards that 130.94 here on, if we do see the momentum follow through here on the Euro Yen. Now, if we do see, depends how long prices do take to get up there, we do have to be aware of the 200 period moving average further acting as a bit of a confluence. The 200 period moving average further acts as a confluence from which we could see sell side momentum take us back down towards that 30.60. And again, if we do break beyond the 30.94, the very next key important level will be moved up towards that 31.70. Now, if we do break down, we're looking to see if we do find support again at 29.45 for a bullish bounce. If we do break down from 29.45, the very next level to the downside beyond the 29.45 that we are looking at would be a pretty strong level in around that 129, from which we're looking to see bullish buy side momentum return to the market. I don't anticipate prices moving beyond the 129, but if we did, 128.59 would be the very next level of importance that we'll be looking at here to the downside. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the daily chart before wrapping up on the Euro Yen. On the daily chart of the Euro Yen, we can see here from this, we've had a pretty strong, consistent sell-off here in the Euro Yen. We've come down in towards our 29.45, previously where we found support. Here on this daily chart, again, we've come down towards that 29.45, and we do appear to be forming support. So we'll see where we get that momentum follow through to the upside over the coming days or so, possibly retracing towards that 30.94, possibly at 31.70 before seeing that sell side momentum return to the market. Overall, the trend was to the upside here on the Euro Yen. If I have a look at it from a weekly perspective, and we get scaling here correct. No, actually, I guess I was incorrect. So after having that sell-off from the 137 level, we kind of broke the trend, which was clear to the upside. We've had prices retrace, had a brief bullish move, and again, we're seeing a bit of a breakdown. So there is a possibility after seeing a bullish retracement here, seeing further sell-side momentum continue in this market in the euro against the yen. And with that said, that wraps up the Euro Yen analysis. Thanks for watching. Oh, before I go, we have come down towards that 200 period moving average here on this weekly time frame, from where we are seeing a bit of a bounce there. And the 200 period moving average sitting in around the 129.19. So that's the level to pay attention to. The 200 period moving average in the weekly time frame in around that 129.19. Thanks for watching.